Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well, we have got to another video. In this video I'll show you how you can simply go ahead and close Amazon account. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and without any further delay, we're simply gonna go ahead and step into our video. For the matter, we first of all gonna go ahead access our Amazon app in our mobile phone, and then go ahead choose your state, tap on done, sign in, and then afterwards what you're gonna do once you're done signing in as well, you're gonna go ahead tap on this profile icon over here and tap on this your account option just given below the your orders. And here in this section you're going to find all kind of settings regarding it. You're going to scroll down to the bottom and then you will find this option called close your account. Tap on it, and now here in this kind of article we're going to pop up. You're going to go ahead, it will let you know that all of the Amazon accounts that you have subscription, including all of the accounts that you have, will be deleted as well. You're going to go ahead, scroll down to the bottom again, and you're going to tick this first and choose a reason and tap on this close my account, and you will be able to close your account just like that. So this is it guys, hope this video was helpful to you all. Thank you so much for watching, and I will be seeing you guys in our next video.